that I made the right decision morally and ethically.
In the end, you're a salesman. If you've taken a more legitimate path, you're probably the greatest salesman in the world. Here's a pen. In the movie, we see Jordan Belfort sell a pen. Sell me the pen.
Okay, here's what I'm going to meet you halfway with this, and I'll give a little sales training here about the trap of selling a pen. So when you tell someone to sell a pen like this, there's no context to sell you a pen because I don't know anything about you. I don't know what type of pens you use and whatnot. So when you do this to a salesperson, they'll say some really wacky stuff. So the best thing to say is I would say to you, Pierce, how long have you been in the market for a pen?
I've wanted a pen for 3 months.
So you've been looking for a pen for 3 months now?
Yes.
Really? And what type of pens do you typically use when you use a pen?
I like a nice, easy-to-use ballpoint pen or something.
Okay, so now just so you know what I'm doing, so I want to teach a little bit here, is that the idea is that when you sell someone something is you need to be asking questions first to qualify, to find out what someone's needs are, what they like. The big mistake of salesman, pen, this is the best pen in the world, Pierce, it writes upside down, so obviously it defies gravity, it's cheap. So if you do that, you sound like a moron, basically.
But are you going to give me truthful responses to
here's the answer. If you would have said to me, I don't really use a pen. I said, oh, really? Will you be in the market for a pen in all the next few weeks or so? You'd say, no. I said, have a nice day. I'm going to go find someone who wants a pen. I don't want to sell someone a pen who doesn't need a pen. So the first thing you do is ask questions. How often do you use a pen? What type of pen do you use? So that's the way to really do this correctly. Otherwise, you're basically just jamming a pen down someone's throat.
Jordan Belfort, if the one thing I've learned tonight, it is how to sell a pen. From the master salesman. Hey, it's good to talk to you.
My pleasure.
And it's a fascinating thing. Let's go and meet some of your victims. I'd enjoy that. That's all for us tonight.